Hello, nature enthusiasts. Today we are embarking on a watery adventure that will take us on a journey we have all experienced, yet might not fully grasp the incredible water cycle. Get ready to dive into the magic of how water dances around our planet, sustaining life as we know it. Imagine a world where water takes the stage in a never ending show. This is the water cycle, nature's grand performance that keep our planet thriving. Did you know that the same water you are drinking right now could have been a part of dinosaurs' splashy play millions of years ago? That's right. Water cycle itself through a process of amazing. Let's simplify. Water starts its journey as a liquid on the earth's surface. Think river, lake and ocean. Now, here's where the fun begins. As the sun sends its warm rays, water take a leap into the sky, turning into invisible vapor. This is evaporation, nature's very own disappearing act. Imagine this. On a hot day, a single tree can release hundreds of gallons of water into the air through a process of transpiration. That's like your favorite superhero hydrating the atmosphere. Our water vapor bubbles join force and form cloud. These fluffy travelers are like floating cities carrying precious cargoes, water droplets. Here come the exciting prize. Consideration. These water droplets climb together on dust particle, creating droplet parties inside cloud. And when the crowd gets too wild, they fall as rain. Is not as fascinating? Just think, the rain outside your window is a part of cycle that's been nourishing life of eons. It's a reminder that every drop matters. As rain comes into the ground, it reveals plants, replenishes lakes, and quenches thirsty creature. The cycle starts anew with water grateful journey begin once again. So, as you enjoy a refreshing glass of water, remember the journey it's been on from rivers to cloud and back to your glass. It's a reminder that you are all connected by watery dance. Before we warm up, take a moment to marvel at a beauty of nature's water ballad. It's a lesson that life is a cycle, just like water's journey. If you are inspired as I am by this liquid wonder, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more captivating exploring of the world around us. Until next time, keep splashing in curiosity and embracing the wonders of our incredible planet.